Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable picture color mode, use sRGB. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on developer options. If you do not have developer options, then you can tap on about phone. Go down and tap on software information and tap on build number 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once you tap on build numbers 7 times, then developer options will be activated. Once you see developer options, tap on it. Then in here, you can go down and tap on picture color mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on, and this will allow you to use sRGB. Or you can switch it off if you do not like the color. If it's too punchy and it's too pop out, you can just simply switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.